Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power to the Xfinity gateway, unplug the power cable, and wait 30 seconds. This clears transient faults and forces a fresh boot. While it's unplugged, check coax and Ethernet connections for snug fits because loose cabling often causes the white blink. Once done, plug the power back in, watch the LED pattern, and make sure the device is on a flat, ventilated surface so airflow prevents thermal glitches. This reduces repeat blinking. Next, connect to the gateway's admin page at 10, 0, 0, 1 or open the Xfinity app. You need to verify connection status and firmware version. If the device shows provisioning or update, let it finish because interrupting updates can leave it unstable. If the app suggests a remote restart, use it. Otherwise, perform a soft reset using the recessed button for 5 seconds to refresh settings without erasing them. Make sure devices stay powered during this step for a stable reconnection. To finish, if blinking white persists after power cycles and updates, perform a factory reset only as a last resort. Hold the reset button for 15 seconds and then wait several minutes for full provisioning. If that doesn't fix it, note the exact LED behavior and how long each pattern lasts. This helps support diagnose the issue. Finally, contact Xfinity support for remote diagnostics or replacement. Make sure to mention your documented LED.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.